Hi there, Kent Otott here at Concordia Chevrolet. I hope you're having a good Monday. It's a little bit chilly out, but it's not too bad. We're doing a walk around of this 2019 one owner Chevy Equinox. I remember when the gentleman purchased this, someone over at Washington County picked it up. It is the premier edition. So we'll hit the remote start. Let's pop open this back gate here. Now we have a leather interior. Here's how the little seats fold down. There you go, just like that. You give that a little pull. I'm not going to do the other side, but push the button here. You turn around and down goes the hatch. Brand new tires on it, I believe, so it just did that. Has the side blind zone alert, Bose sound system, memory seats, power driver seat, power passenger seat, I believe, as well. Let's hop inside here. Foot on the brake. I'm going to close the door because I'm a tad bit chilly. Now, we're going to turn the radio off. Here we go. You take and look inside. Heated steering wheel, lane keep assist with lane departure warning.
Demonstration mode.
It's in demo mode, and we're going to have to listen to the lady talk about that for a moment. You have navigation built in. There you go. Navigation loads up. Garage door openers here. 40,491 miles on the odometer. So I want to say she has adaptive cruise control from the look of it. I will post that in the comments. Here you have a charger for your cell phone for wireless charging, heated seats, cooled seats as well. I'll turn that on because the sun is warm. What else can we look at in here? Older couple had this. They took good care of it. There, I can hear the heated or the cooled seats come on. That is very nice. Oh, by golly. Let's go back here. We're going to hit the home button. I won't throw her into reverse. I'm just going to hit the camera thing. There you go. You have surround vision all the way around. There is your what lies ahead of us right now. See, you look out the window, you can see that Jeep and that Chevy Cruze. Well, you can look ahead. You can push this little button. When you throw it into reverse, you get a nice backup look. So everything is ready to go on this car. 40,491 miles today on this. That means it still has some factory powertrain warranty left. Remote start. It is a very nice vehicle. Now, what you need to do, you need to come and take this for a test drive or come and look at it. Don't ask me what my best price is until you come and look at the vehicle, okay? That's what I'm going to tell you. We get a lot of people, well, you know, what's your best price? You haven't even seen it yet, okay? Come, look at it, drive it, take it home, buy it. You're not going to find something in this great a shape very often. So give me a shout here at Concordia Chevy, 785-243-8656. That's my cell phone number. Call me directly. Shoot me a text. If you text me, make sure you put your name in the text. Okay, let's be polite. I'm Kent Otott. I'm at Concordia Chevy. You know that. I had some people that get kind of mean and nasty, and that's not very much fun, is it? Or you can call me here at the store, 785-243-SAVE. Check us out online. Well, you're finding this online on YouTube and probably our website and Nextech, so that's working pretty good. But ConcordiaChevy.com. Once again, I'm Kent Otott. My cell phone number is 785-243-8656. And as always, have a great day.